Hi, my name is Neik, and today I'll be answering the question, what was my experience with Youthfully like? So personally, before talking with my Youthfully coach, I was just doing the same thing as other students. I was looking online, talking with friends, looking at forums such as Reddit to find any advice I could on, specifically in my case, McMaster Health Science and the Queen's Health Sciences application process, and I was able to get lots of advice for things such as the types of questions that were asked on either the interview or the essay, and they were helpful. But then I got to talk to my Youthfully coach, and from there, I was able to learn, well, really the true difference between the two, like just getting online advice and actually talking with someone and getting advice on every little small thing, from my posture, to like what words I'm using in either my essay or my interview. And I really think that is the true difference between um, using Youthfully or not.